Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denitris. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join my family here on YouTube. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I love to have you here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an everyday minimal makeup look. This makeup look is for anyone out there that's on the go consistently, for someone that may not wear makeup a lot but want to try to get into makeup and just don't know like where to start. I feel like this is a good starter look. I feel like this is for that mom on the go that doesn't have long to do makeup. Trust me, I'm a mom, I get it. We don't always have time to sit down and do a full face, so this look is definitely for you all. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform from this to this in only a few easy steps. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this look is going to require very minimal products, maybe, I don't know, 5 to 6 products or so. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the key to natural, minimal, everyday makeup is to have a good foundation. And the foundation, not actual foundation, I mean like your skin, your actual foundation. You want to be sure that you're cleansing, moisturizing, putting on sunscreen, doing your vitamin C, all of that good stuff. You really just want to make sure that your skin is pretty much prepped at all times for a flawless, seamless makeup application. So I have already cleansed my face and everything for today. I am going to go ahead and start out with this Belief moisturizer. You guys can use any moisturizer you like. This has been my absolute favorite moisturizer lately. So I'm going to take a small amount and just apply it all over. So by applying a moisturizer, it's going to help the makeup to glide on even better than if you didn't have anything on your face at all. So we love that. So now that my skin is moisturized, I'm going to go in with my foundation. You guys can use any foundation you'd like. You can use a BB cream, a CC cream, a tinted moisturizer, whatever you prefer. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This one is in the color 510, which is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and this is 515. Which is a tad bit darker, so I like to combine the two. So I'm actually going to be using my fingers to apply my makeup today. I feel like it's a lot faster and it's easier as well. So I'm just going to take a pump of each color and I'm going to warm it up on my fingertips like this. I'm going to apply. You're literally just rubbing in the foundation like it's a moisturizer. You want to also rub it down your neck as well. Now that we have on our foundation, the next step is concealer. I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This has been my favorite concealer for years. This is in the color Warm Honey. You definitely want to be sure to get a good moisturizing concealer. You don't want anything too drying. And you just want to highlight the parts of your face where a natural light hits, so like your T-zone area, which is like your forehead, your nose, under the eyes, your chin, and I also do a little bit above my lip. That's just my preference. I'm also going to use my finger to blend out my concealer as well. I feel like your fingers are like the easiest tool to use, especially when you're in a rush, because honestly, when you're not wanting to spend too much time on your makeup, sometimes it can be a headache trying to figure out what brushes to use, especially for a beginner or for someone that just doesn't wear makeup as much. So you just can't go wrong with your fingers. Another good thing about using your fingers is that it warms up the product. It allows the product to blend so much better and give more of a natural, flawless finish. Like, look at how everything is blending. And as you can see, everything is blended so beautifully. So next I'm going to go ahead and move on to eyebrows. For me, I have to do my brows. It's just no question. I have to fill them in. If you don't care to, it's totally up to you what you decide to do or whatever you would like for your routine to be, but I highly recommend doing your brows because it's just going to frame your face and allow you to look like you tried. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the color Deep Brown. And I love how thin the pencil is because it helps to get those beautiful hair-like strokes. All right, so I'm going to zoom y'all in so y'all can see. I'm going to take the spoolie side of the pencil and just brush through my hairs. I like brushing my hairs up in an upward motion. And then I'm going to take the pencil and just start following my natural eyebrow shape. In my opinion, it's easier to start at the bottom like this and then start to kind of fill in where you have any sparse areas. This is a really, really good product. It's very pigmented, so you do have to have a light hand with this. And then once I'm finished filling them in, I'm going to use the spoolie side again and just brush through again. And yeah, look at the difference. If you already have natural thick eyebrows, kudos to you. I used to have thick brows. I used to get them waxed when I was younger, and that was one of the biggest mistakes that I made because I just feel like they just got thinner and thinner over time. I'm not gonna say it was the biggest mistake that I ever made, but that might be a little bit dramatic. But I think I was just going to the wrong person, and yeah, it was cute while it lasted, but in the long run, I'm like, where is my brows? All right, so there you go. Brows are filled in. All right, next I'm going in with bronzer. I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This is in color number 4. This is the deep one. And I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna put the bronzer on my cheek area. Also on my forehead area. And on my chin. And kind of down my neck a little bit, just to kind of blend everything in. I also like to go down the sides of my nose. And yeah. So that's it for bronzer. Next, I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl blush. This is in the color Hot Frenzy. And it's this beautiful coral red color. And a little bit of this goes a long way. I feel like wearing blush just makes the look come together. It just gives you like a nice, fresh, youthful look. It also makes it look like you spent a little bit of extra time on your makeup. But you really didn't. You really did this in about 5 minutes. So that is it for the face. Next, I'm going to be using this mascara. This is by Ulta Beauty. And it's the New Heights Lifting Mascara. This stuff is my absolute favorite mascara. It gives amazing length. My lashes aren't the longest, but this definitely helps them out. Okay, I'm also going to be applying mascara to my bottom lashes. I feel like I just cannot do the top without doing the bottom. It's also just that little extra step that ties the whole look together. See? When you do your bottom mascara, it also makes it look like you are wearing eyeliner, which is an added bonus. So of course the last step is lips. I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Fussy. This is my all-time favorite gloss. I'm also going to add a little bit of liner just to give my lips some definition. I'm using this MAC lip liner in the color Cork. For my oily people out there, if you guys want to powder your face, I recommend using the Laura Mercier powder or any sort of translucent powder. But if you want more like a dewy look, you can definitely keep it as is. I'm just going to put a little bit of powder under my eye area and a little bit on my T-zone area. And voila. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, very minimalistic makeup look. As I mentioned earlier, I feel like this is a quick, easy, on-the-go makeup look, very minimalistic, not too much going on, but just enough to make it look like you tried. And this is definitely something that you can wear every single day. It literally only takes 5 to 10 minutes to do, if that. So don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Also give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my family here on YouTube. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.